Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a blog and how to create and edit it on Wix. We'll go through the process directly inside the Wix editor. And this is a very simple way to get a blog section added to your website so you can start publishing content right away. Having a blog on your website is a great way to share information, answer questions from your visitors, improve your website's SEO, and keep your audience engaged with fresh content. Whether you want to create tutorials, company updates, product guides, or personal articles, Wix makes the process simple even if you have no previous website building experience. If you're new to Wix, don't worry. Everything is built visually, so it's easy to follow once you know where to click to begin. You don't need to know coding or complicated website settings because Wix gives you the tools you need through an easy drag-and-drop interface. Go to your site editor. This is the main editing area where you can make changes to your website layout, pages, and features. Once you're inside the editor, look to the top left corner and click on Add. This is where Wix keeps the elements and sections you can insert into your site. The Add section is where you can find many different website features, including text sections, images, galleries, forms, and other tools that help you customize your website. For adding a blog, this is the starting point where Wix organizes the available options. After that, click on Pages inside this area. You'll see different page-related options and categories. From there, choose Blog and Resources. This section includes blog layouts and tools that Wix provides to help you quickly add a blog without needing to build everything from scratch. Wix provides different blog layouts because every website has a different purpose and design style. For example, a personal blog may need a simple article layout, while a business website may benefit from a more organized resource-style blog with categories and featured posts. Now choose a blog to add to your website. Pick the option that best fits the style and structure you want for your site. Once you add it, Wix will place the blog element onto your website automatically. At this stage, you can also think about how your blog will fit with the rest of your website. A good blog design should match your brand colors, fonts, and overall website style, so visitors have a consistent experience when they move between your pages. When you see the blog element on the page, click on it. This will open its settings and give you access to the controls related to your blog. Take a moment here to make sure you've selected the correct blog section, because this is where you'll manage the content that appears on it. Choosing the correct section is important because Wix websites can contain multiple elements and pages. Making sure you are editing the right blog area will save time and prevent changes from being applied in the wrong place. In the settings, you'll find the Manage Posts option. Click that to open the Blog Post Management area. This is where you can control your blog content and start building your articles. The Blog Post Management area is basically your content control center. From here, you can create new posts, edit existing articles, organize your content, and manage everything that appears on your website's blog. Next, click Create New Post. Wix will open a new post for you, and this is the area where you can create and edit your blog content. You can begin writing your post, adjust the content, and make your changes as needed. This is the main workspace you'll use whenever you want to publish something new or update an existing post. When creating a blog post, focus on providing useful information for your readers. You can add headings, images, videos, links, and other elements to make your articles easier to read and more engaging. For example, if you are creating a tutorial, you can break the process into steps so visitors can follow along more easily. And that's it. Once your blog is added and you know where the post management area is, creating and editing content becomes very straightforward. The biggest advantage of setting up your blog this way is that your website can continue growing over time. Instead of having a static website, you can regularly add new content that helps attract visitors and keeps them coming back. If you plan to publish regularly, it's a good idea to get comfortable with this section, since it will be the center of your blog workflow inside Wix. A consistent publishing schedule can make managing your blog much easier. Whether you publish once a week or a few times a month, having a simple workflow inside Wix will help you create content faster and maintain an active website.